Hello students, I am Kanika Dheer, your English teacher. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic of English grammar. And the name of the topic is the adjectives, kinds of adjectives. But before we start, let me remind you of an activity which we did in our previous Zoom class. I hope you remember that activity where you were asked to describe your favorite objects, right? So the words which you use to describe your favorite objects are known as describing words, and describing words are also called adjectives. So an adjective is a word which is used to describe a noun or a pronoun, or which adds to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. The different words which you used were pretty, beautiful, fat, huge, big, small, etc. These words are called adjectives. To make it more clear, I am going to explain you the different kinds of adjectives. So let's start. As you can see here I have some tomatoes. These tomatoes are red in color. So red is the adjective here because red describes the color of the tomatoes. So red is the describing words. So red is the adjective here. Another example I can show you. I have beautiful earrings. So beautiful is the describing word here because it describes the quality of the earrings, that the earrings are very beautiful, right? So beautiful is the describing word here. So beautiful is the adjective here. The adjectives which tells us of what kind of a person or thing is are known as adjectives of quality. For example, good, bad, beautiful, ugly, honest, small, big, right? These are the adjectives of quality. It describes us of what kind of a person or thing is. Now look at here. There is sufficient oil in the jar. I have enough water with me. There is very little milk in the glass. So, enough, sufficient and little are the adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity answers the question how much. For example, little, enough, half, full, etc. These are the examples of adjective of quantity. Now look at these lemons. Can you count these lemons? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 lemons. Here are the tomatoes. All tomatoes are fresh. So 6 and all are the adjectives of number. Adjectives of number answers the question how many or in what order. Next kind is demonstrative adjective. This book is mine. That book is yours. Here, this and that are demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective points out persons or things. For example, this, that, these, those, etc. are the examples of demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective answers the question which. And the last kind is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. For example, what color is your hair? Whose book is this? Which house is yours? So what, which or whose are the interrogative adjective. These adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. So in this chapter we have learned about the adjective and its different kinds: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. So I hope the concept of adjectives is clear to you all. Thank you for watching.